Hi kids, how are you? Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn numbers 1 to 20. Let's learn some color pencils. These are all our color pencils. Let's learn the names. Black color, red color, green color, thick green color, blue color, yellow color, light pink color, violet color, pink color, orange color, sky blue color. Let's draw numbers. Sky blue color 1, 1, O-N-E 1. Black color 2, T-W-O 2. Orange color 3, T-H-R-E-E 3. Red color 4, F-O-U-R 4. Green color 5, F-I-V-E 5. Green color 6, S-I-X 6. Blue color 7, S-E-V-E-N 7. Yellow color 8, E-I-G-H-T 8. Pink color 9, N-I-N-E 9. Violet color 10, T-E-N 10. Pink color 11, E-L-E-V-E-N 11. Sky blue color 12. Black color 13. Orange color 14. Red color 15. Green color 16. Thick green color 17. Blue color 18. Violet color 19. Black color 20. Once again learning numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. Bye kids. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye kids.